Hello everybody, welcome back to the Yobro. Today we're going to be building a puzzle cube to get the treasure that's inside. And this just fell out. Technical difficulties. Anyways, I got the new app, the Stop Motion Studio Pro app. And this is Blue Screen Boy. I used him to make him float. I'm trying to test out a bunch of filters and the blue screen and everything. So, hope you guys like that. I'll be posting it sometime soon. And hope you guys like it. I think it's very short. It might only be like 8 seconds, but it was just like a test stop motion, a test brick film. And anyways, let's kind of see how to play with this before we learn how to build this. Because I think the playing is the really big part you guys all want to know. So you can already tell by just taking these out. It happens like way too often. Once you take that off, you can really get to take this off. And wow, there's treasure, but it won't really come out unless we do that, and then all the treasures comes out. But I think we should do part by part, and I think that will help us build our thing a lot better. Get a formation like this, a brick and a brick, on a 4x4 plate, and just do the same thing. I know this is kind of a mismatch of colors again, just doing like what I had, trying to get as much symmetrical as possible. And I use the plates to be symmetrical from top to bottom and all that cool stuff. So anyways, then just keep it sturdy by doing that, and just fill it with all the gems. Not all the gems that you have, because if you have a lot of gems, it probably won't fit. But just a few little pieces of gold, maybe some crystals, some diamonds. I don't know. Just use what you have, right? And just fill it up. I'd say about 5 things is good. I have like 2 big ones. I have a gold from from the miner sets. I think it was only from one, but still, like, I have them. Those were, if like to get them, that's probably how you're gonna get them. One of those normal gold things. I have all these, like, I have 3 diamond things, and I have a crystal. But yeah, let's just build the other side. So this is the other side. You can already tell that it's going to use some Technic bricks. Like I said, Technic brick and then Technic pins. They can form a formation like that. Stack 2 plates. You know, just like boom, and just like stack, and just like boom again. And with the same kind of thing that you just did, you're going to get another Technic brick to go there. A little plate to go there, and voila, get a 4x4 plate this time, and place it like that. Get your little nice assembly, and oh, this is the satisfying part. You just place it. You make the diamonds all kind of jump. It might wiggle a bit, but eventually you'll figure it out. Voila! Look at that. It's all square, and if I lift, never mind. I thought it'd be like, I was hoping it'd be like a flat thing. But anyways, then you get this part and you just put it on. But you need to know how to build this part. So let's build that part. Again with the 4x4. And this time at this kind of midline, you're going to place a snot brick, a plate, 1x1 plate, 1x1 brick. Do the same on the other side. And then you're really gonna want to start to get this bracket in brick formation. And you can just simply do that. And to seal that off, just literally a 1x4 plate. And then with your assembly, you can just blah, 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 put that on. That was such a weird thing, like blah, blah, blah. But anyways, then the last part, almost the last part, I guess, is getting these back in. I like sliding better than I do actually like just taking them out, but also do that, which is really fun. I wish I could do that in slow-mo. That'd be so cool. Here's my attempt at slow-mo. Okay, yeah, okay. This is just some tiles in a corner formation. I'm not gonna show you how to build the other one because I'm pretty sure you guys can figure it out like right now, but I'll just show you anyways. And I'm not going to show you the other side because it's just the opposite. So just reverse it. This is the only one that the outside is not studs, but like whatever that's called. And so basically you're just going to get a tile. Wait, am I doing this right? Let me see. No, I'm not. Okay, but anyways. Tile like that. I think this is the right way. I don't think I'm copying myself. No, I didn't copy myself. Good. I had to look back behind the camera to see if it was working. It did. Anyways, you can just slide them in, or if you want, you can first get the plate on, and then, put them in, whatever you like best. And anyways, guys, hope you all subscribe to the channel. Hope you all like the video and do all that great stuff. And peace out.